In the game of Monopoly Go, gold stickers are hidden within the same sticker packs as regular ones, but they are much rarer to come by. The higher tier sticker packs, 4-star and above, offer slightly better odds of containing gold stickers, although obtaining them ultimately depends on luck and randomness. To increase your chances of getting gold stickers, you can try completing quick wins each week, opening the purple pack, logging in daily to claim daily treats, opening the community chest after letting the cash accumulate, participating in events and tournaments, completing color sets, winning wild stickers through minigames, spinning the Tycoon Mega Wheel, opening sticker packs and vaults during sticker booms, purchasing wild stickers when deals are available, and opening swap packs whenever they're offered. With a little effort and some luck, these strategies can help you grow your gold sticker collection. When it comes to sending gold stickers, trading is restricted in Monopoly Go. You can't give them freely, even if you have duplicates. To trade them, you'll need to wait for a Golden Blitz event, which occurs regularly and becomes more frequent as you near the end of a sticker album. During a Golden Blitz event, only specific gold stickers featured in the event can be traded, and you're limited to trading or gifting just 2 gold stickers at a time, and only if they are included in the current event lineup. While these restrictions narrow the trading options, they provide a guaranteed way to collect missing gold stickers and complete your albums when they're missing. To make the most out of these events, connect with reliable trading partners through Monopoly Go groups on social media platforms or online communities.